Hello everyone, I could use some help. I made an Android app for our community. It's called HelloFractal. And for this app, I also made 2 videos that serve as tutorials. The app is ready, and also the videos for the app are ready. And so I wanted the app to go live on Google Play Store last weekend, while simultaneously, the videos would also go live on this YouTube channel. Unfortunately, I realized at the weekend that in order to publish an app on the Google Play Store, the app must have gone through a closed testing phase. This testing phase must involve at least 12 testers who were opted in as testers for at least 14 days. And this is where you come into play. If you want, you can volunteer as tester. In that case, just send an email at ashbringersup@gmail.com from your Gmail account. I will then add your Gmail address to the list of testers, and I will send you 3 links and a promotion code. The first link is an invite link where you can download the app for testing. The other 2 links will be links to the tutorial videos I mentioned. These videos are set to private for as long as the app is not yet released to public, but with these links, you should be able to watch them anyway. The promotion code is a code you can turn in at the Google Play Store to acquire a premium version of the app for free. It's a gift to you for testing the app. So by volunteering as tester, you will get early access to the app as well as the 2 videos, and you will get this promo code for the premium version of the app. As tester, it is completely up to your own discretion how much testing you want to do. If you feel like exploring every little detail of the app and sending me bug reports or feature suggestions, that is great and very much appreciated. But even if you just opt in as tester, open the app once and barely explore it, you are already helping out a lot. Thank you very much in advance for your contribution. I wish every one of you a great time.